Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we have an exciting upload today and it's all about a B8 A4. So, what are we doing? Well, let me show you. So a lot of you out there who have B8 A4s, S4s, Q5s, several different makes and models with MMI screens. That's this screen right here, or this one right here that we're replacing it with. Now, the MMI screen in your car is known for several different problems. You can have backlighting display issues. You can have screens that just shut down. Let's add a little light to this matter. And you can also have screens that do what this one did. Oh yeah. Oh, cracky crack. So, the question is, how do you fix it? And you're in luck. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So, let's dive straight into it, and this shouldn't take you very much time at all. It's gonna be a little tedious because it's all plastic bits and we got some clips, and it's gonna make some funky noises, and you might feel like you're breaking stuff. But, it's really, really easy. So let's dive into it. This particular model is a 2012. On a lot of models, this is two pieces. There's a panel here. There's like a section here that it splits off. This one, we don't have that luxury. It goes all the way across the car. So we gotta take this entire piece of plastic out. And in order to do that, once again, it's not difficult. It's just gonna make some really funky noises. Also, we have to be concerned about this vent over here. That vent actually goes behind the plastic, not in front of it, so it doesn't come out with it. So keep that in mind. You might accidentally like pop the vent loose, but it's not a big deal. It'll go right back together. So first thing we're gonna have to do is lower our steering wheel. So let's get this sucker down. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna attack this. So I have found that you can just put your hands right here, give it a little bit of tension downward, and there we go. It'll pop itself right out. Do the same thing up here and just work your way across. Maybe turn that a little bit so you guys can see here. And that side's gonna be a little bit tougher. Now make sure you don't just go yanking things out here, because there is a connector right here for your hazards button. So we just wanna push that. There's a little locking tab right there on the side. You can just push it and it should just pull out. All right, hold on here. Let's get two hands on this matter. There we go, see? It's easy peasy. So now you have your MMI screen exposed. You're gonna have four, oh, there's awful light there. You're gonna have a screw up there, a screw there, a screw there, a screw there. It's 4 T27s. And, I lied. They're not that size. They're definitely smaller. All right, we'll cut in an edited bit here where I tell you that they're not T27s, they're T20s. See? Money shot. Good. First try. Now that you got all the screws out, just slide the screen out, and you're gonna have another plug right here on the back. And you should just be able to wiggle it out. Take your new screen and plug it right back in. And here's a little pro tip as I'm sweating profusely inside this car. It's probably 200 degrees. Now's a great opportunity to go ahead and check the screen that you got is working and that it's compliant with the car. I have had a few cases where I've had some aftermarket replacements that just didn't want to function properly, so we went ahead and sent them back. But this is an OEM screen, so let's just make sure it works. Yay! It's working. Now, as you can tell, there's no programming or anything that you need to have done with this. Excuse me. There are a couple different versions of the MMI screen, so make sure when you're ordering one that you do order the right one for your car. So let's go ahead and get this thing buttoned up the rest of the way. Run these guys all the way down. I wouldn't crank them down significantly, but I would definitely make sure they're tight. Plug your hazards back in. Go ahead and make sure they work. Perfect. And slide your console back in. Make sure your harness goes down into the hole back here for itself. Should just be able to wiggle this guy kind of into place, get it around. So there are a few tabs that are on the outside of this little ring here. Make sure they go around everything. Just snap it all right back into place. Perfect. And there you go. It's simple as that to do a MMI screen in your 2012 Audi A4. This short little DIY on how to do your MMI screen, consider subscribing to the channel. I do weekly uploads, all makes and models within the Volkswagen, Audi, VAG family, including Porsche, and we do a little race car things here and there. So if you're into that sort of stuff, guys, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm Audi. Peace.